Hey guys, RCHHF Vlogs here, and today we are doing another cutting stuff open on Fridays.
It is Friday.
Yep, and today we got a tennis ball and a marker. I don't know what type of marker this is, but it looks different, so that's why we're cutting it open.
It is a fabric marker.
Yep, fabric.
If you have one of these, please comment below.
Yeah, comment below #fabric if you have one of those fabric markers. And I'm stepping on bricks right now, that's why I'm not looking at the camera. So look.
Okay, so first,
Yeah,
I'll hold the camera.
I'm cutting open
Jeremy-
this marker.
Jeremy is going to be cutting open the marker. So, whoa, that chopped off the whole bottom. Right there.
Now,
Look at
cut
that.
open the ink sac.
Wait, stop, don't cut it open. Look at that. Let me see the inside. Look at it.
Hold on, let me chop the inside open again.
Okay.
I was not expecting that. I was expecting the ink to stay in there.
Oh. Whoa. Cat flew all the way over there. The other pieces are ink sack. Wait, I'm gonna show them the ink sack. So let's place this down. And look at this ink sack.
Probably very inky all over your fingers.
Oh man, I just got a bunch of ink on my fingers, as you can see.
Alright. You don't have ink smearing on my iPad?
Oh man. Okay, I think that's enough.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's not.
One more time. Oh, look at that. Ink sac. Yep. It's gonna
Okay, now time for the tennis ball. Well, Jeremy is going to hold the camera, and I'm gonna cut open the tennis ball. Okay, here you go. Camera.
Hold up. Alright, never mind. There's ink all over my iPad. What the frick?
You did all that.
No, I didn't.
I did only the tennis ball. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Cutting open the tennis.
Oh! Just made a little line.
Yep, a little line in it.
Whoa!
This thing is invincible.
Shot! Oh, man.
Dang.
This thing's invincible.
That axe looks like a murdering weapon because it
I
has
cut open.
blood on it.
I cut it open. Cut a tiny piece open. Right there. You can see it in the video. Right there. And then cut it even more. Because, you know, we're the what's inside.
Rubbing this off with weed. No! The ink sac was in that. Oh my. Sorry about this bad moment for you guys, but yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
ready?
We gotta cut it open all the way.
Oh my god. Hey, you know
that
what?
Slice in the middle.
Dirt just got in my eye.
Fail. Dude, that's not gonna do anything.
Yeah, I know. I don't even know why I did that.
Hold up. Wait, I got an idea. Cause hold the camera. Hold the camera. Put the axe down. Hold the camera. Cause we've already got a little hole in it.
We took a tee from golf and stretched it open. Oh, dude, I know what to do.
What?
Okay, so place this down. Okay, here, put the camera on it.
Oh, put the camera on it.
On it. Do it. Do it.
Put it in the hole.
I'm sorry about this.
Yeah. Cause he sucks at life.
I don't. Oh my god! I don't give a freak. Just.
No, You're bad. No, you don't. Oh my gosh, you stink at life.
I know. I'm okay. I don't care. I'm cutting it. No. Get out.
And I got it in first try. I don't think this is getting cut open.
Oh my god! Yes!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Can we rip it open?
Trying to. Man, tennis balls are strong. All that yarn and rubber. Ugh. Here, listen.
Hold on. Let's make a little cam of what's inside of it. Stretch it open.
Just rubber.
And what is that red thing in it?
That is not
Dirt.
red. That's just. And we're gonna cut it open even more.
Let me try one.
Dang!
Now, hold the camera. Let us look at this.
Ripping it in half. Listen.
Oh,
Huge yarn right there.
really yarn. Oh, what's up,
Hey,
T?
T, we're making
We
a what's
ripped open-
inside video.
Ripped open the
There's
tennis
the little
ball.
doggy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're ripping it open.
Which is like impossible.
So here's T. And there's Milo, the little doggy.
That wrecks
T,
everything.
stop spraying me.
Hold up. Actually, we kind of need that. Spray the back of my iPad.
Wow, what happened?
Do you not see that ink?
Well, yeah, but what,
There.
how did it get there? Ink sack. That's an ink. Oh. What's that from?
The marker. Yeah, sorry guys about this. This is going to be a bad experience for you. But, sorry. Just gotta do it, you know? Wait, I don't think that's coming out. Hold on, see. Can you come with the water gun? What the paper
nuts.
towel?
Didn't have that yet. Well, I could just drop it. Man, it got in the roof. And then it fell.
Okay. That's gonna be no good. So yeah, basically guys, I hope you liked our video and we'll see you next time.